Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you in your face. Kinda, well, yeah. Anyways, this is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Just a reminder, I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties, so I know a little about that. Just a little. Gotten some comments lately that just drive me insane. You don't know how to cook noodles! What are you doing? It's like, ugh. This is crab miso from Hokkaido, Japan. It's not top ramen, not Maroshan, not a domestic. This is Japanese. It's fancy. Comes in a box. And this came out of a Ramen Trunk subscription box. Use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off. That's 20. Or for you folks, it's 20. Go to ramentrunk.com, check that out. Anyways, gonna cook it up. Look at that. It comes with 2 of everything, so these are, I don't know how they're doing it, but a lot of the stuff that's in there are like these shelf-stable fresh noodles. And that's pretty special. So yeah. Yeah. And so these go in the pot for 1 to 2 minutes. 1.5 minutes. And then with this, so what you do is you make the broth separately. And so what I do is they say like boil this much water separately, and it's just like I'll just do it in the microwave because it's then I can put it in a measuring cup. I know the measure, and then I don't have to waste all this stuff. So this is some exceedingly hot water that just came out of our 1250 watt microwave from LG. LG, life's good. Yeah, with scissors. Scissors are, you know, boiling over. I do know how to cook, I just don't know how to pay attention. There we go. Come on. I mean, it says 1 to 2 liter pot, but this is ridiculous. It's all sputtery and angry. Okay. So hopefully you can see this. This is thick stuff. This is crabby. The broth is made by boiling crab shells, or at least seasoned that way, and it's a crab miso. So I'm excited about that. Never had anything like it, really. 1.5 minutes. That's fast, folks. Fresh noodles go quick, though. Oh yeah, those are done. All right, so let's stir this up. Smells like a red miso to me, and generally I'm not partial to red miso. Let's get Rotato in on the business. Rotato, our friend to the end. Come on! Except for today. Everything is... nothing's cooperating, and it's really pissing me off. This may be the swearing episode that comes every 20 episodes or so. I don't know though. I think I'm a little early on that still, but we'll see. If everything goes okay, then it won't be. But I'm having a feeling that this may be the cursing episode. Those smell good. broth, which is combined well. Going in. Oh, those shells. Okay. I'll get that in there too. Get in there, you son of a bitch. There we go. Make sure you can see what's going on here in the utility magic kitchen. There we go. And we taste. We're going to go with the noodle first. Yeah, it's one of those episodes. I don't want it to be though. This is like a fancy noodle. I want to keep my cool. I don't want to like start flipping out. There's the noodle. I'm going to dip it in the broth. Very red. Kind of an earthy red. So, yeah, actually I do like that. Got an egg. That has somewhat cooperated. That's like the first one in the last couple days, so thank you, egg. Now, they mentioned adding chashu to this, and I was like, at the store, and I'm thinking like, oh, well, I should add crab to it. And then I forgot, oh yeah, real crab, like a little tiny thing of real crab is like $20. I got some imitation crab. There's that. I like imitation crab. It's good. It ain't the same by any means, but it'll do. It'll do nicely. And then we have... what else? Rotato's cord is really ticking me off today. We have some mung bean sprouts. Ooh, it's getting all crazy. Some sprouts. I'm gonna go for a grip. One full grip of negi, also known as spring onion. Some light regular sesame seed, and then a little bit, because I love it so much. Actually, I'm going to use this today. Sansyo. It's peppery. And I'll put that on this kind of area over here. Rotato time. Alright, cool. Well, there's some fancy Krabby Ramen for you. Straight out of Hokkaido, Japan. Came through from ramentrunk.com. Thanks, you guys, for sending those along. Check them out at ramentrunk.com. Use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off. That's 20. Have a good one and bye.